How to stop second-guessing yourself. 10 tips that get results. Have you ever found yourself stuck in an endless loop of doubt, questioning your own decisions over and over again? Second-guessing yourself can be exhausting and frustrating, leaving you feeling paralyzed and unsure of your choices. The good news is that you can break free from this self-imposed mental trap. Below are 10 powerful strategies to help you overcome second-guessing and develop the confidence to trust your decisions. 1. Understand that no one is more qualified to make decisions about your life than you. It's easy to look around and feel like everyone else has life figured out. But the truth is, no one is living your life except you. No one else has your experiences, your dreams, or your ambitions. You are the most qualified person to decide what is best for you. When you acknowledge this, you'll begin to trust yourself more and rely less on external validation. 2. Work on your self-esteem to reduce self-doubt. Low self-esteem is one of the biggest drivers of second-guessing. When you don't believe in yourself, it's easy to question every decision you make. Boosting your self-esteem takes time, but small steps like acknowledging your strengths, celebrating your achievements, and avoiding negative self-talk can have a massive impact. Start keeping a success journal where you write down your accomplishments, big or small. When self-doubt creeps in, revisit your past victories to remind yourself that you are capable and competent. 3. Replace pessimism with optimism. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your decision-making process. If you tend to focus on everything that could go wrong, you'll always hesitate. Instead, shift your perspective. What if things go right? What if your decision leads to something amazing? A practical way to develop an optimistic mindset is through reframing. Instead of saying, "What if I fail?" say, "What if I succeed?" Training your brain to focus on positive outcomes rather than negative ones will reduce your tendency to second-guess. 4. Let other people's opinions go. One of the biggest reasons people second-guess themselves is fear of judgment. You might think, "What will they say if I make the wrong choice?" The truth is, people are too busy thinking about themselves to be concerned with your every move. Seeking advice is fine, but constantly relying on others for validation can cripple your decision-making skills. Start making choices based on what feels right for you, rather than what you think others expect. 5. Love your flaws and mistakes. Perfectionism is a major cause of second-guessing. If you're always striving for the perfect decision, you'll never be satisfied. The reality is, mistakes are a part of life. In fact, they are stepping stones to growth and learning. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it. Recognize that every mistake is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. The more you accept your imperfections, the less you will second-guess yourself. 6. Make a conscious decision to risk failure. The fear of making the wrong decision often holds people back. But here's a secret. No decision is ever completely right or wrong. Every choice you make teaches you something valuable. If you find yourself hesitating, remind yourself that taking risks is necessary for growth. Some of the most successful people in history have made massive mistakes, but they kept moving forward. Commit to making decisions without fear of failure, and you'll break the cycle of second-guessing. 7. Replace your thoughts with something else. Overthinking and second-guessing thrive on mental repetition. The more you think about a decision, the harder it becomes to make a choice. One of the best ways to break this pattern is to replace your thoughts with something else. Engage in activities that demand your full attention. Exercise, meditation, a creative hobby, or even a simple walk outside. Distracting your mind from endless analysis will give you the clarity you need to move forward. 8. Understand why you second-guess yourself. Self-awareness is key to overcoming second-guessing. Ask yourself, why do I doubt my decisions? Is it fear of failure? Fear of judgment? Past negative experiences? Once you identify the root cause, you can address it directly. For example, if past failures make you hesitant, remind yourself that those experiences do not define you. If you fear judgment, work on building inner confidence so external opinions don't hold you back. 9. Understand that there are some times when second-guessing can be helpful. While chronic second-guessing is harmful, occasional reflection is beneficial. Not all decisions should be made in an instant. Sometimes, taking a moment to evaluate your options can lead to better choices. The key is knowing when to stop. If second-guessing turns into excessive rumination that prevents you from taking action, it's time to trust yourself and move forward. 10. Take action and build trust in yourself. At the end of the day, the best way to stop second-guessing yourself is to take action. The more decisions you make, the more you'll build confidence in your ability to choose wisely. Even if you don't get it right every time, you'll learn valuable lessons that will help you in the future. Start small. Make simple decisions quickly, like what to eat or what to wear. As you build trust in your decision-making skills, tackling bigger choices will become easier. Conclusion. Second-guessing yourself can hold you back from living your best life, but you have the power to break free from this cycle. By following these 10 steps, you can develop confidence, trust your instincts, and make decisions without unnecessary doubt. Remember, no one is more qualified than you to navigate your life. The sooner you believe that, the sooner you'll stop second-guessing and start living with confidence. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.